This is Cyber Monday 2022 of LUKO 180 Pints Commercial Dehumidifiers for Basement. Cyber Monday 2022 is an annual event just for well-known that it is shopping time on. And this year Amazon have selected many products for the shoppers from small businesses and top brands. Happy everyone from Shop Cyber Monday 2022. Introduce features interest for LUKO 180 Pints Commercial Dehumidifiers for Basement. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Why you choose LUKO 180 Pints Commercial Dehumidifiers for Basement? The next are some reasons why you should choose. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Pints Dehumidifier. This dehumidifier with 386 cfm airflow volume can remove up to 190 pints of moisture from the air per day at saturation, 90 degrees Fahrenheit, 90%, 93 ppd at AHAM. Ideal for flood and water damage restoration, carpet cleaning, fast drying in indoor gardening / greenhouse / pool / spa, construction areas, marine environments, and large spaces up to 6,000 square feet. With pump featuring an internal heavy-duty condensate pump of 15 feet drain height connecting with a 17 feet wrinkle-free long drain hose, included. This self-draining industrial dehumidifier will automatically drain the condensation water to anywhere you want, meanwhile ensuring you are always on the top of operation without downtime. Durable roto-molded housing is much better on resisting dents, abrasion, and corrosion than metal housing while protecting the delicate interior components from any impact damage. This ETL-listed water damage dehumidifier is also backed with a 2-year free warranty, 5-year on housing, to ensure maximum lifespan that lasts several years. And go operation. All you need to do is to plug it in, turn it on, no further manual adjustment is required. The LCD screen displays the humidity level and the temperature of both inlet and outlet as well as the job hours for better management of job site progress. The auto restart on power failure and auto HGV defrost features allow less supervision. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.